Do you know you can make some adjustment on your photos with Saal Design software? First, select the photo you want to retouch and go to Color Adjustment. You will see there are plenty of options. You can change brightness, contrast, saturation, hue, and you can even use some colorization and have control over its opacity. You can also try some preset adjustments that the software offers by default. And of course, you can modify all its parameters as you want. And if you're not sure how you want your photo to look like, you can always click on Randomize and see the result that the software offers you. In case you want to apply these parameters to all your photos, you can do it here. This is very useful if you're doing, for example, a photo book. And if you want to return to your original photo parameters, you just need to click or reset. It's your turn to give it a go.